Hi, it's Gary with Evans Realty Group. We have a lot of buyers coming to us, frustrated by not being able to find the homes they want. They're searching all the typical websites, hoping to find what they're looking for. And if they do find the right home, there's a fierce competition among buyers. They're pleased to learn that our free home hunter service can give them access to homes that are not located on any of the internet sites. Homes like coming soon properties, private sales, pre-foreclosures, company-owned properties, and other distressed sale properties not available online. With our home hunter service, we go further. That way, you're not going to miss out on the perfect one. Now, the best part of our service is that it is completely free, and you're never obligated to buy a home. Just give me a call or message me today, 832-721-0442. That's 832-721-0442. It's free and there's no obligation to purchase any home. Call me today, 832-721-0442.